What's up guys, back with another video. Today I am your host at 4E Farms. Right now we are seeding our 2020 barley crop. We're on our same line as the fertilizer spreader was. We got auto steer. We're going something 4.7 miles per hour. This is our fertilizer spreader. We filled her up with barley. It's spreading in the barley at 50 feet. Can't very much. I don't know how much an acre, but PTO runs it and it just throws it out the back. You can't really see it, but we're just cruising. Auto steer is working good. Get that shot. But oh, busy day, pounding our acres. Yeah, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned because today's gonna be a busy day. We're not just spreading barley all day. We're gonna start stone rolling at 14 feet at a time on a 100-acre piece. Yay! So much fun. Honestly, we do need a bigger roller. It's so small. But it gets the job done every year. We're seeding our barley. We're gonna, I don't know what we're doing this. We might sell some, might feed some to our cattle. Yeah, we'll see. Well, see you guys in a bit. Last pass of barley 2020. Let's go, boys. Get the body in the ground. That last spread shot. Oh yeah, auto steer. Bam, bam, pam, pam, pam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! Barley 2020 is done. Feeling good, boys. Gonna shut that PDO off, put her in neutral like a boss, and then crank up that 2020 barley's done. What's up, guys? Back in our video. Today we are stone rolling in our 8670 tractor. Pulling our 14-foot roller, boogieing hard. Pounding out the acres. Mile. here there was like big holes. Can't really drive the stone roller. The hitch doesn't pivot like that, so this was pasture ground. We took the fence line out. Now we're putting this in barley. On the other side will be oats. Hope you like my point of view for most of the day.